Hi, this is a brief explanation of the mobile pen testing internship which I did so far. And the Android pen testing means checking an Android app to see whether it has a security weakness that any hacker can misuse. We can think an Android app as a house, and the pen testing as checking the doors and windows locked correctly, and the pen tester it's like a watchman who is appointed to check the security, like check whether the security is strong. And the goal of the Android or mobile pen testing is to protect the user data. So the environment which I set up for the Android or mobile pen testing is the Android Studio. I use the Android Studio, and this is my Android emulator. And and the application which I'm using for this pen testing is the AndroGod, and this AndroGod, which includes some security issues such as network intercepting, unprotected Android components, insecure data storage, input validation, something like that. And the common tools which we are using, which I used in this, are the ADB, APK tool, MobiSF, and JEDEX. That's the tool till now so far I used, and I just connected the Burp Suite proxy also. And ADB, if I'm telling you about the ADB is a tool in which the system can talk with the Android device. So here we have a command like ADB devices, which we can see. Emulator 5554 is a device which is attached, and we can use a command like ADB shell. ADB shell means we are the root, so you can check as who am I am the root. So I can see the list of directories which is inside this Android. So it's like we can communicate with the Android device with the ADB commands. And so also ADB can be used to install the apps like AndroGod, and to pull data for the analysis, check server storage, run testing commands, etc. we can do with the ADB. And the next one is the APK tool. So APK tool is used to open and read the Android app files. So I can show the file. So yeah, this is a decoder, like AndroGod decoder files, which is using the APK tool. Usually the APK tool which allow us to unpack the Android app to see what is inside it. And inside an APK tool, the main thing is the Android manifest. So this is the Android manifest. In Android manifest, we can see the vulnerabilities, like the Android manifest, which describes the app rules and the permissions. So from there only we can analyze, like we can do a static analysis, which means we are analyzing the application without running, like it's in a static state and we are analyzing it. So in this we can see this backup. Android allow backup is equal to true, which means the data can be backed up and anyone can copy the app internal data. And some other is there, like so we can check so debuggable. Android debuggable is equal to true, which means the app is not locked properly and it is open for testing. And then we can check like permission. So some is like permission internet, write external storage, read external storage. So it's like which increase the privacy and data leakage. These all are like which increase the privacy, data leakage. So this is all about the Android XM, like Android Manifest. And the other one is like res, which means which stores the images, layouts, text, etc. And small I, it tells the app logic, like how the app works internally. And yeah, that's it about this. And the other one is JDEX. So JDEX, in this JDEX, it is used to read the internal code of an Android app in human readable form. Like we can see the source code. So for the Android support v4, we can see the so these are the source code which we can see from the JDEX. It works using the Java. And the another one is MobSF. Actually, I have opened the MobSF, like I have installed the MobSF in Kali. So MobSF, we can use it for dynamic and static analysis. MobSF, it's a mobile security framework. It's an automatic security scanner for mobile applications, and it can perform both like static and dynamic analysis. Also, it can give a report with permission issues, code level issues, manifest vulnerability, network security issues, storage issues, etc. So here only we can see like it just mentioned some issues here. So so far I did this much. Also, that's it. Thank you.